So every year or so we like to make a bit of a video where we just ask you questions so that we can get a bit of a gist on who you are, what kind of an artist are you, who are you as a person, all that kind of stuff, so we can tailor videos that would help you, because obviously we're just farting videos out every single week and we don't know how many of you each video applies to. So these kind of videos kind of help us really tailor videos to you, the audience. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to ask you some questions. Okay, let's get straight into it then. So to answer the questions, you click the thing up there and it just comes up with like a little thing. You'll see. Okay, so first question is, what type of an artist are you? Pretty self-explanatory. Are you in a band? Are you a solo artist? Do you want to be in a band? Do you want to be a solo artist? Or none of the above? If your situation here is a little bit more complicated than that, by all means write us a comment and just tell us exactly what your situation is, because if it's something interesting, we want to hear about it, because obviously we'd like to tailor videos to you. Second question is, how many songs have you released? Have you released none? Have you released up to 5? Have you released up to 10? Have you released up to 20? Or have you released over 20 songs? This is a little bit more complex as to why we're asking this, mainly just because we want to know how far in your little, I guess, career you are with the things that you're releasing. So if you've only put out a few singles, we want to kind of know that. So that would obviously be like up to 5. If you put out a few EPs, have you done many albums, that kind of thing. So it's good for us to judge exactly where you are with how many songs that you've put out. Next one, which is probably something we should have asked in previous versions of these videos, which I don't think we have, is what genre do you make music in? So we've got rock, we've got pop, we've got electronic, we've got acoustic, and we've got rap. Obviously not all genres are covered in this, we only have 5 options. So if you are a metal band or a rap metal band, for example, put the closest, which would probably be rock, and then let us know in the comment section exactly what your weird style is, if you do happen to have one. Okay, the next question is a little bit more odd, and it's a little bit more abstract, and it's based on your own judgment of your own career. So it's essentially, where are you on your musical journey? Are you a total beginner? Are you just learning the industry? Do you feel as though you're starting to kind of get it? Have you been in the industry for a few years now, or are you a complete expert? Like, are you I am one with the industry? Again, this will kind of help us to judge whether or not we should be making really basic videos on kind of the basics of everything in the music industry, which obviously we've done videos on in the past. Should we remake some of them? Or is that not overly relevant because you, the majority of you, the audience, are actually quite advanced or on your way to being quite advanced? So we just kind of want to get a bit of a gist on that. And the last question, which is not going to be up in the corner, is something that I want you to comment. I want you to tell us what videos or type of videos you like that we already make. Is there any type of videos that you would like us to make that we've never even touched? Is there a style of video that you'd like us to try out? Is there some information on certain things in the music industry that you would like to know? Are there things in the music industry that confuse you and you would like a bit more clarity on? Anything like that, anything that you want us to make videos on, or things that we already have made videos on that you would like to see, yeah, let us know. And that always is the most useful amount of feedback that we get from you, the audience, because you're the people that we're making the videos for. So knowing what you like and what you don't like and the things that you would like to see is really, really helpful. So yeah, thank you very much for that. I know last week's video and this week's video have been a little bit not educational, because obviously we've done the update on the reviews and then this, but next week we'll be back to proper educational videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and yeah, see you next week.